Hey guys, it's Nikki, and I'm coming on to show you how you can transport your beautiful flower arrangements. So keep watching. All right, so here I'm going to be transporting this beautiful arrangement that I made. And this could be for your wedding bouquets or anything that has to do that's fragile. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a box. You're gonna need a box cutter, a stapler, some scissors, and paper. And that's because I don't want the Amazon stuff. Oh, and you need tape, duh. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is, what I already did was, you're gonna put your vase here. You're going to draw a circle where this should go. And once you've done that, you put that to the side. You get your box cutter, please be careful. And you're just gonna cut. I have removed the circle. Actually want a little bit bigger around the perimeter. I'm gonna say about a ½ inch, just so it can fit. So let me show you. So now once you put it in there, it should be like so. Now, what I'm gonna do is, we're going to tape this. I'm gonna tape the side that we're not going to be using. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, also I'm gonna get some of that wrapping paper to kind of cascade, but I'll do that in a moment. Just for right now, it should be secure enough. Now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna try this way, is I'm just gonna take some of this wrapping paper to see, but I might do something different because I don't know if I like, it's not fitting. So I'll be right back. I have something else. All right, I'm back. And so don't judge me. I'm going to use this tablecloth because I can't find anything and I'm in a crunch. I think I paid $1 at Walmart. So what we're gonna do is, I'm hoping that this will at least give it some kind of coverage. Let's see. You kind of can still see. I don't like that. Take 3. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna first put the paper on top. I just actually like the paper, the sticker. And we're just gonna tape it. And again, I'm just about presentation is just as important as whatever you're doing. Of course, I could have easily just put it in the box. But this is going to someone for, it's going to be presented to someone. And so I can't. I have to do things a certain way or I'm not going to do it at all. That's just how I am. So actually, before I do that, I'm going to take a piece and have it come this way. Maybe like that. I know what I'm going to do. We cut it. There's nobody gonna see this part. It's like making sausage. All right, so you take some tape, put it here. This is my first time doing this, so. But as crafters, you have to have the ability to think on your feet, to problem solve, because stuff, especially when you're trying to do this on your own, stuff just doesn't do what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna turn this around so you guys can see it. I'll take that off for a moment. See? And you just fold it, bring that down. Okay guys, I'm all done, and what I did is I went on ahead and put some of this tissue paper in here to kind of give it some volume. And here is the result. So you just plop it in like that. Make sure you guys can see. Plop it in like this. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some more tissue paper. And place it in here. So here's the final product, and it won't go anywhere. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, please follow me on my social media accounts and watch another video when it comes out. All right, I guess I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Here I am. Keep watching. All right, see you later.